Everyone, I need to show you something. This is fantastic for your classroom and it's made me feel a lot more comfortable about what I'm doing. So, in the last few posts that I put on websites, I'm creating my own YouTube channel and I'm learning lots, but I'm still very new at all of this. But one of my concerns was that it was safe for my students when I got them to watch it, because that's primarily while I'm doing it. But I want to show you something. Stick with me. So I'm just going to click on the first YouTube clip that I've made, an edible color wheel, which is pretty good. And I'm going to pause it so you don't have to hear it. And then I'm going to copy the website. And then I press Command C to copy it. Now, this is where you need to go. This is Safe YouTube, watch and share safely. It is really easy and I've already tested it out. Just go here where it says paste a YouTube link you own or permit to use, and I'm going to go Command and V, I think it is. There we go. Now generate the link, and here you see this is a new link for you to copy. Press copy. Now I've actually emailed it to myself already. Now I've copied this link and I've emailed it to myself, so Colleen Herbert at my email, and you can see it's in here. So this is like you copying it and pasting it to your students. So now I'm just going to copy that again. So I'd be a student who does this, paste it in, and it comes up. And check this out. This is the best thing. There's no ads, there's no pop-up bits and pieces, and it's all nice and safe for your kids. So I am seriously encouraging you to have a look at this if you're doing this for your online learning or any YouTube sites for your students. And please, please share it with other teachers you know. I just personally feel so much safer doing it this way, and I wish someone had shown me earlier and years ago. Good luck.